Ipamorelin is a peptide that is referred to as a growth hormone releasing peptide. What that means is that it's a medication that's designed to increase your body's growth hormone production. This is not like human growth hormone where we're actually replacing your body's growth hormone like we do with testosterone, but we're actually just augmenting your body's ability to produce growth hormone. The way that this works is our body, when we go through growth hormone production, there's an organ in the brain called the hypothalamus that sends a signal to our pituitary gland to release growth hormone. That's the natural feedback loop that we have. What Ipamorelin does is it actually targets the hypothalamus to release more of the signaling hormone that goes to the pituitary gland to increase growth hormone production. The reason why we do this is growth hormone production results in reduced soreness from exercise or just general aches and pains throughout the day, significantly helps improve sleep, specifically REM sleep. So a lot of the patients who take this medication, they do see improvement in dreaming, they have more vivid dreams. And that means that your body's actually going through the full sleep cycle. Patients will wake up feeling more rested, they'll have better energy. In addition, patients who are exercising, they will see quicker recovery times, they'll have better muscle building, and overall just a better sense of well-being, and they will feel significantly better. To learn more about Ipamorelin, speak with your provider today or visit limitlessmale.com for your free consultation.